Hey folks, welcome to the 2011-2012 update to the Michigan Public School Employees Retirement System. Whether you're an administrator or a teacher or a service person, if you get a paycheck from a public school, this information is imperative to you now. Someone thought enough of you to give you this link or somehow get you to this registration page. This webinar will fill up quickly. Just click on the information to either the side or below to register, and we look forward to seeing you there. We will update you on everything from what the new changes are now, with the pay cuts going on, with the medical benefits being cut, with will I ever be able to retire with the income I need for the rest of my life? A lot of questions are coming up now. So again, just feel free to click the link to the side or below. These will fill up quickly, and register to get the information that you need at a time when it's convenient for you. There's no charge for this. There's no fees. It's just an education on the state pension. Also, when you're on the webinar, you can have some questions ready if you have any about your specific situation. You'll be able to enter them right there. We'll get them and we will answer them either on the webinar or right after for you, so that you can customize, or we can customize for you what exactly you need to know now about your specific situation. There's also a pretty big bonus in there too. So again, register either on the side or below, and we look forward to seeing you at this special event. This webinar will fill up quickly. See you there.